like a busy day at Casa Anita. Got all the ductwork going in. We're using Cool Wave on the AC. Guys are up there cutting the duct in, putting all the registers in. Give a little props to some of the contractors we're using. Johnson Manley, Havasu Lumber, the framing. Like I said, Cool Wave on the AC. River Valley Window Company doing the windows. Framing's getting close. Getting all the pop-outs on. Pretty much done. Got a couple little things left inside on framing. Header on this garage door. The guys going everywhere. Those are the hats for the wherever it protrudes through the ceiling. Looking like a house. People everywhere.
Big day set tomorrow.
Same thing on the AC. I did service and return in all the rooms. House doesn't have any window load for the AC, so it's really going to be a cheap house to do heat and cool. Anyway, she's coming right along. Nice big patio out here. On this side right here, in this corner, somehow eventually I'm going to put I think a fireplace. But that's in the future plan. Plenty of yard left. Little lake view. You guys hang the slider?
Yeah, we're doing it right now.
And the windows, or just the sliders?
Just the sliders.
Just the sliders.
Yeah, we leave the windows for the framers.
Okay. Anyway, there you have it. We'll have sliding windows here in a little bit. Nice little garage for little Havasu house. Notorious wing walls. They're what the haters can hate. I'm going to wait till later to deal with those. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching. Like I said, real good subs on this house. Clicking right along.